Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
What? What? Sorry, my check box.
Can you find me?
Because of
Kemi Afolabi, yes, Omodorisha, the movie. No, I did not. I was supposed to be in the movie, but I traveled out of the country. I was not around. Okay. But I had the opportunity to see the script. It's a fantastic storyline, I tell you. Okay. It's a movie that when it comes out, people are just going to love Kemi Afolabi the more. I am even crying that I'm not in the movie. It is paining me because it's the movie I would love to be part of. It's a fantastic job. It's an awesome and amazing job. Kudos to you, Kemi. I'm so proud of you again. Oh yeah!
This is Messi.
This is Messi. Aigbe, yeah.
Good evening, Mr. Adeniyi.
Hi, how are you? Boa! I'm good. Boa like the bomb.
Oh my God. I'm sure you're excited to be here today.
Super excited to support Kemi Afolabi. I'm totally, I'm happy. I'm happy.
It's something that no one on the, what do you call it?
On the entire film.
Like what do you call it? Opposite sex.
We love it that way. You know, at some point something new has to come out of Nollywood. We can't keep doing the usual. We can't keep doing the mommy and daddy, brother, sister, Olori Ebi's TV drama. Something else has to come out. And I'm happy she's taking the step to do this. So it's totally awesome. I'm in support of this. I love it. I love the concept.
Okay, you said you heard about
it. Yeah.
Did you see the script at all?
For the movie? No, I didn't. But I'm aware when they were filming, people were giving us updates. We were seeing Instagram pictures and all the updates. So we're loving every moment of it. But it's awesome. Kemi doing this. Kudos. Yeah.
Can you say something to your fans all over the world?
My fans all over the world. Without you, there's no me. I celebrate you instead of you celebrating me. Thank you for being there. Thank you for supporting my brand. You've been awesome. I love you guys. Thank you. Hi, my name is Adeniyi Johnson. I'm an African actor. Keep supporting and watching Boa TV. They are the best.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Boa TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's